Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today we have visited Rachakonda Falls, waterfalls. So it was waterfalls was is not that big, but the road to waterfalls is amazing. So I'll show you that in today's video. This place is in Yadadri Bonge district of Telangana. Distance from Uppal to Rachakonda waterfalls is around 56 kilometers. It takes approximately 1 hour to 30 minutes to reach here. I couldn't believe there are such places near Hyderabad. Or maybe rain did all the magic to this place. It looked like I reached some hill station. If you search in Google Maps for Rachakonda waterfalls, you can see it is marked as Pallagattu waterfalls. This waterfalls will be lively only during heavy rains. It is like a seasonal waterfall. Before rains are over, I suggest you to visit this place. I have no idea how it will be in summer. By the time we reached here, it was around 5 in the evening. And almost everyone who came to visit the waterfall left. This place is in a complete village side, so it may be difficult to ride if it gets dark, although I enjoyed the night ride and we reached home safely only. Be cautious when you go near to the waterfall, as these rocks are very slippery. Because it was slipping, I couldn't walk through with my chappals. I took out my chappals and I walked in barefoot only. But look out for these bottles. Don't hurt yourself. It's better to wear sandals or proper shoes having a good grip. We followed Google Map, but we ended in wrong place. So I'll show you some landmarks. You will see a stone written as Narayanapuram just before reaching the Y junction to waterfalls. And there is also one small pillar written RF on the middle of this Y junction. This is the road to Rachakonda waterfalls. To reach the waterfall, you have to go through this untarred road for around 2 to 3 kilometers. When you further go through this off-road, you will find a small stream. If water is less, you can take your vehicle for 1 more kilometer forward. When we went, water was less and we took the bike for around 1 more kilometer further. If you are searching for a place for your day out, I highly recommend you to go here. I really enjoyed this place. If you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll be very happy to reply. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon with another interesting travel video. Until then, stay tuned.
you know what the most frightening thing in the world is? It's fear. Fear.
You gotta be fucking kidding.